at least we have new trains. Yeah, like not like the old silver sets. Still have to make my intro. Brand new intro. I'm not at Lickham anymore. Somehow. I don't know, I'm just traveling time. Like, I went back to February with friend 2. But, yeah, I don't know. Somehow I got back here. Well, yeah, just to let you know, I'm making, my intro here in Vietnam. So yes, I'm staying here in Vietnam for 2 weeks too. So yes, with 2 little bicycles here and the really almost crippled. But yeah. Oh god. Okay, so I'll be right back in the next probably 2 weeks or so, or maybe during the week, or I don't know, just pretty random times. But yeah, I'll be back. Don't go yet, okay? Don't unsubscribe. Just like, comment, subscribe, okay? Okay, I'm making stuff, alright? Okay, so I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what I'm going to do in my intro. So, I've dots. I'll move it back here because I messed up my project. I'm gonna move it back here, and I'll do all sorts of things, and I'll be using morphing. There you go. Other than that, yeah, see ya in the next one. Bye-bye. It's 1:40. I'm sleeping now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon, where the local time is 20 minutes to 9 o'clock in the evening. We are delighted to inform you that we are at least 25 minutes ahead of our schedule. Although we are on the ground, we still want to make sure that you are safe. Make sure that you are safe. So please remain in the seat with the... Finally, on behalf of Captain Santa and the rest of